we look back for last year, nag-decline naman ang ating agriculture. But then with the presence of the El Nino phenomenon, which driven the slowdown of production for crops and of course livestock, especially for hogs. That is the main reason. Even there are some positive side for agri, but we heard the mango and the watermelon production increases, but then with the major palay production which go down and of the livestock, these are the major contributor for the slowdown of the growth of the agri.
Next question. Ang pagsaka ma'am sa services sector, paano niya siya maka-affect naman sa employment dahil sa Western Visayas?
Services sector. So tayo kasi said a while ago, ang employment natin is compared to NIR is mas mataas. Services, of course, services sector or industry sector for services gives employment opportunity to our workers in the region, especially for the call centers and the ICT. And of course, because of the newly created economy, the creative economy in the province, yung mga sa mga sa Facebook, mga content creators, digital, and that's a good manifestation for the employee increase in services.
Okay, thank you, Mama Malar. Next from Gen A. Hello, good morning everyone. First, siguro ma'am kay Mama Malar, or kay kay Engineer, sa'yo. Engineer, yung mention kay Ina sa imong presentation nga may in the absence ng Negros Island and Bacolod City, nagmubo ang aton na employment rate. Ano ang positive and the negative effects